In this presentation, we'll dive into the world of caching, focusing on preventing duplicate keyword entries in Dell Boomi. Think of this as tidying up a messy drawer. It's crucial for keeping things smooth and efficient. We'll explore why this matters, what the challenges are, and how we can solve them like true experts. Let's get started. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. Let's begin with the basics. What is cache? It's like a quick access shelf in a library. Speeding up data retrieval, managing it efficiently, is the key to smooth operations. Today, we'll see how proper caching can make or break system performance. Imagine having a clutter-free shelf. It's exactly what we aim for with cache management. Duplicate keywords in cache are like getting the same birthday card twice. Redundant and messy. We'll uncover how these duplicates sneak in and how they create bottlenecks. From simple annoyances to major system slowdowns, duplicates can wreak havoc, and understanding them is the first step to prevention. Duplicate entries are the uninvited guests that overstay their welcome. They hog memory, slow down performance, and sometimes even crash the party. Today, we'll understand how these issues arise and why removing duplicates feels like giving the system a refreshing reboot. Dell Boomi's cache mechanism is like a Swiss Army knife. It's versatile and efficient. We'll go through its features, advantages, and common uses. By understanding the foundation, we can better tackle duplicate issues. Think of it as getting to know your tools before building something amazing. Cache configuration isn't just a technical task, it's an art. Today, we'll explore best practices like setting boundaries and regular cleanups. It's like giving your cache a spa day to keep it refreshed and ready to handle anything. Let's look at how we can bring some zen to our cache. Using unique identifiers is like giving each file in a cabinet its own label. No mix-ups and no duplicates. We'll talk about how these identifiers work, the perks they offer, and tips for implementing them effectively. It's a simple yet powerful tool for staying organized. Deduplication logic is your secret weapon against clutter. Think of it as a Marie Kondo for your cache. It removes anything that doesn't spark joy. We'll walk through the steps, highlight the benefits, and even look at success stories. You're about to become a deduplication pro. Expiry policies are like setting an alarm clock for cache entries. They know when to leave. We'll discuss why they're vital, how to set them up, and examples of doing it right. Let's make sure your cache knows when it's time to move on. Monitoring cache is like keeping an eye on your pet. It's essential to avoid trouble. We'll explore key metrics, the role of logs in identifying duplicates, and the best tools for the job. Think of this as your guide to being an attentive cache caretaker. Ever wished for a magical broom to sweep away unnecessary data? Well, automation is pretty close. By using scripts and scheduled tasks, we can reduce manual work and keep systems running smoothly. No more staring at redundant data like it's a surprise guest at the party. Imagine a world where databases stop acting like slow librarians and start behaving like speedy personal assistants. No SQL caching does exactly that. It stores frequently used data upfront, ensuring that users get responses fast without overloading your systems. Redundant queries are like asking the same question again and again, hoping for a different answer. Instead, let's optimize our queries and cache wisely, because wasting resources is just as fun as watching paint dry. Boomi's lookup functions are like a cheat sheet for your integration process. Quick, accurate, and hassle-free. Think of it as knowing the answer before the question is even asked. Handling large data volumes can feel like trying to drink from a fire hose, messy and overwhelming. But with the right batch processing and optimized pipelines, you can keep things manageable and make data work for you. instead of drowning you. Case studies are like movie trailers. They give you a glimpse of what works before you commit. Learning from real-world implementations helps you avoid pitfalls and apply proven strategies to your own projects. We've covered everything from automation to real-world strategies, and now it's time to take action. Optimizing processes isn't just about saving time. It's about working smarter. Go forth and conquer inefficiencies. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.